So this is Lightning UI, sir. In the Lightning UI also, this is application menu. In the classic, you can see application menu here. Lightning you can see here. Just you can type here. You can see already code subject is available here, right, in the sales application. Otherwise, if you don't have the option there, you can just search here course. So this is, understand, sir? You can try just here. You can just search here course and click course. Here you can click a new code. Otherwise, you can just open the existing opportunity in the sales application. Just click the opportunities. You can see in the existing already we have added, right, last time in the related list. You go down. Here is there, sir. Here also you can click a new code. So multiple ways you can, here also you can go, here also you can there. Or if you don't have, just you can click it here, you can search it. Do at least this 10 days in classic, sir, basic, all these things. So anyway, in the lightning also, I'll show you all the things, how to create objects, all those things. But first, you need to understand classic here. Okay. Classic. Okay. So yesterday we discussed about assignment rules and email template. And I have observed one more thing. Everyone is creating email template. You are giving your name. Why? So don't give your name, sir. You should give the email template name which is suitable for the uh, that based on that email body and all. You have to give the name. Okay. I can see some people are giving their names in the email template. Understand everyone what I'm saying? అర్థమవుతుందా? For example, if you just type here email templates, so based on the our requirement, we have to give the email template name. Yesterday, what we have given email template name is I think this one, yeah, marketing lead assignment. Okay, because our requirement is whenever the lead is assigned to the owner, we should notify him. So based on this, we have to give the name. Don't give some different meanings. You will not understand. I think some people are giving emails also here. I've seen your screenshot. Na? It should be meaningful name based on the requirement. Understand? అర్థమవుతుందా? So Subbareddy, I think you also giving some different name. Mahalashri, I think you are also giving different name. What is the name you have to give? Email template name is not email. Based on the content here. What is the purpose of this email template here? We need to send the email to the owner whenever the lead is assigned. We can give lead assignment email template. Something like that we have to give. అర్థమవుతుందా? Nagavani, I think you also given some different name. So this should be meaningful name. Okay. మన కంటెంట్ బట్టి you should give this name. Don't give like a random names, anything. It should be meaningful, whatever you are giving. Okay, ఎందుకంటే in future if you are in a company now, if you give like this name, they will not accept. Okay, they'll think, okay, you don't have any experience, something like that. That's why you should follow some namings which is easily understandable based on the content. అర్థమవుతుందా?
Okay, sir.
Next, okay. So yesterday we discussed about assignment rules. Okay, what is assignment rules? So today we'll discuss about auto response rules. So this is also same. Based on some condition, we can send email. Based on some condition, we can send email to leads or cases. So, see, normally, if you observe some in the real time, if you buy a new mobile or if you buy a new mobile, new SIM, right? What will happen? You will get some message, right? Welcome to Airtel network. Welcome to J network. Something like that, right? So, or if you buy any mobile, welcome to the Oppo. Welcome to something like that. You will get any if you buy anything. Similarly, how you will get that one is because of these rules, auto response rules. Okay. So whenever you buy something, we can send some immediate message. Okay. Not only for buying, even in case if you have any issues, you can raise a case. Thank you for your case. Something like that, you will get one email immediately, right? How we can get that emails immediately or leads emails messages immediately? Because of this type of concept, auto response rules in the Salesforce. Okay. So the same, this is also available only in the lead and case object. Only one assignment rule will be active. Same like this. Yeah. So if you want to send auto response, so what you have to need is you should email. You should need an email template. Yeah. So what you can do is how you can create email template in Salesforce. Just change this option. Just go to the email template.
Search the email template in
Uh,
quick files.
Click a new template. So actually, we have four types of email templates. Okay. So this is text. Normally, text means what is basic email where there is no something we cannot add CSS and you cannot use the HTML and all. Just plain text. How it is there. Simple. If you want this type of thing, you can go for plain text. If you want to use, you can use this option. If you want to use something HTML like a bold, italic, some different types of formatting, you can go for this one. Okay. This is custom. Okay. It is also same like HTML only. It will have a different format. This is lettered format. This is different format. And this one, of course, we cannot use now because almost Visual Force are like a closed. We are not using that much. Okay. So mainly we can use these three. So now we can use this option. So already yesterday we have created, right? This one. So now in this case, already we have some existing email template. Okay. Something marketing product inquiry response. So we can use this existing email. This is also a text email template. Okay. This is also a text email template. By default, Salesforce is providing. You can use this one. Okay. Dear leader, thank you for inquiry about products. Instead of this one, what is our products? Samsung company. You can just change some message here. Okay. The same content you can use. So always use this public folder only. If you use this personal email template, it will not work. It will not available for any others outside. So use always this one that you can use it. Email template name. Okay. So, description for the email template. So the email response to the website product inquiries. Okay. In case someone is uh, sending the in case someone is inquiring your product in the through website, then that time you can use this email template. So here I can give something Samsung. Thanks for inquiry. This is fine. Here also I can just make it a Samsung product. A representative will contact you shortly. Thanks. This is Samsung. In case if you want to change other text also, you can change based on the requirement. Okay. So just I'm giving some basic changes. Just click save. Okay. So now what you can do is just type auto responsible. Lead auto responsible, space auto responsible. Lead auto responsible. You can see. Whenever we create this functionality will work only for web to lead. Whenever we're creating lead for website, then only this auto response will work. Okay. If we create record normally the UI will not work. That's why it is they are giving something like a web to lead auto responsible. Okay. So just click a new button. Again give Samsung. Okay. Lead auto response rules active. Okay. So here also same we can add multiple conditions. If you click on this, you can add multiple criteria. Okay. Click new button. So here I can give condition. Okay. Lead source lead source equals to web, right? I'll give a first condition. If you want to use multiple conditions, you can use it like sales and I think you are using annual revenue field in the form or not sure. You're using lead source, yes. Maybe you can use other conditions like a rating. You can use multiple conditions based on the requirement. So I'll use the lead rating also. And the question. Something you can give any condition. Fine. Okay. So name. Specify the name of and address to include to the auto response message from line. So what is the name you want to message? You can message here. So I can give name lead auto response message. Okay. So the sender email address must be either one of your organization-wide email address or the email address in your Salesforce business profile. Okay. So whatever the email address you are using here to send the email to this auto response, that email should be one of users. For example, if we have two users here, right? If we click setup, so we have two users, right? So you can use any one user's email address. Otherwise, what is the other option? You can use the organization-wide email addresses. Normally, if you type here organization-wide email addresses, you can just see organization-wide address. So you can create some generic emails. Okay, you can add it here. For example, normally if you just check with some companies, they will directly default when you have email, one default email ID. For example, leads, Indian leads address Samsung.com. What is the meaning of Indian leads address Samsung.com? Whenever the lead is coming from India, they will use that email ID, Indian leads address Samsung.com. Something like that you can add it here. One common email. For example, for USA leads at the rate of Samsung.com. You can give for USA customers, you can give one email address. So like that, you can give email addresses that you can use wherever you want, like auto response rules, or in some future if you develop any email alerts, all those places you can use it. Okay. So now what you can do is, for example, I can use one organization email address. I'll name is okay. I'll give Samsung leads. Okay. So here you can give one common email ID that you can use it wherever the functionality is, like in case if you want to send email, right? So that time you can use that email address. So what I can give here is uh, multiple email ID. I will start one, start two, I think. Okay, this is start two. Other one is start one, I think. So, okay, I'll give just this one. Salesforce start one. I'll try to do at the rate of gmail.com. Purpose default no reply addresses or user selection and default no reply addresses. I will choose this one currently. Allow all profiles to use this from address. Okay, click save. So this is a common email I can use for all sending order requests and all. Okay, so what I can do now, I can just give the same email address here. So email template. So just now we have modified one email template, right? Marketing product inquiry response. Okay, just remove the spaces. Right? Okay. In case if you want to add multiple conditions, you can add it based on the requirement. Okay. So now I will use this one only. In case if you have a requirement like multiple conditions, you can use multiple conditions. Based on that condition, you can choose a different template also. For example, assume this one is lead country equal to India, then you can use this email template. Okay. In case if country equals to USA, you can create one more template, something like that. In case the lead country equals to China, you can use different email template. Same way, based on the requirement, you can create multiple conditions, different templates. You can use a different email address also based on the requirement. Understand? అర్థమవుతుందా what I'm saying? Based on the requirement, you can create multiple countries, multiple entries, and multiple email templates. You can use it based on the requirement also. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, to test this functionality, what you can do? How to test this functionality? Auto response rule. This auto response rule will work only with the web to lead functionality. Okay, web to lead, web to case only. So already yesterday we have created web to lead form, right? Open that web to lead form here. I'll give a report. This was Gaikwad. I'll give something to Raj at the rate of. Okay, we should give some valid email ID, right? Otherwise, you will not get a email. So, what's the valid email ID? Can someone tell me your Gmail? Otherwise, I'll take any Vivian or more. I'll take this one. Okay. I'll give this is the Ruturaj email ID so that I can show you how he will get a email. Okay. So company CSK. All these things are not required. The rating we have given the condition warm, source equals to web. Right? Source equals to web, a rating equals to warm. That is the conditions. Click a submit. Now you can check first of all lead is created or not. Go to the lead tab. All open leads, click on go. That is this one. Okay. So assigned to the Samsung queue. Why is that this is assigned to the Samsung queue? ఎందుకు this is assigned to Samsung queue? Anyone? Why this lead is assigned to the email, this Samsung queue? సార్ వినిపిస్తుంది అందరికి? నాకు వెన్ని మాలశ్రీ సుబ్బారెడ్డి.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yesterday we created the queue, sir.
మరి ఎందుకు అందరూ అంత మౌనం కొంచెం మౌనం పాటిస్తారు? ఏదైనా క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వాలి కదా. అందరు సైలెంట్గా ఉంటే ఎలా చెప్పండి. చెప్పండి. సమ్మరీ సెయింగ్ చెప్పండి మేడం. Yesterday
We have created the queue, sir.
Leads.
yesterday we created a queue. Okay.
Already we created the lead.
Those, sir.
Why this lead is assigned to this queue?
So,
Not Varaprasad.
నాట్ వరప్రసాద్ అండ్ విరాజ్ సార్. ఆ రెండు కేసులు మ్యాచ్ అవ్వకపోతే ఇక సామ్సంగ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది సార్.
మేడం కరెక్ట్. అదే ఏంటంటే ఆటో రెస్పాన్స్ రూల్స్. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఆటో రెస్పాన్స్ రూల్స్ we have given condition. What is the condition we have given? Where country is not equal to India, where country is not equal to US, ఏం చేయాలి అప్పుడు? దీనికి అసైన్ అవ్వాలి. అండర్స్టాండ్ మేడం? We have not given country. That is also satisfy that condition, right? Country ఇచ్చినా ఇవ్వకపోయినా that condition is satisfied. That's why it is assigned to the risk. Understand? అర్థమైందా? కుసుమ హేమలత మేడం ఎందుకు మేడం అసలే మాట్లాడలేదు?
యాక్చువల్లీ చెప్పాలంటే నాకు
చెప్పండి మేడం పర్లేదు. నిన్నటి నుంచి అర్థం కాలేదా టాపిక్? వాయిస్ వినిపిస్తారా మేడం ఇది? హలో హేమలతను మేడం మీ వాయిస్ వినిపిస్తలేదు. కుసుమ వాట్ అబౌట్ యూ మేడం? వై యు ఆర్ నాట్ స్పీకింగ్?
No, sir, I'm speaking. But yesterday class కొంచెం అది డౌట్ వచ్చింది సార్ నిన్న చేసేటప్పుడు.
అవునా? ఓకే. బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి మేడం. ఓకేనా? యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్పీక్. ఏంటంటే మీరు మాట్లాడకపోతే మీకు అర్థం కాదు కదా. ఇన్ కేస్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ ఇన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ, దే విల్ ఆస్క్ క్వశ్చన్ వై దిస్ సీట్ ఈస్ అసైన్డ్ టు దిస్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దట్. సమ్వన్ ఈస్ అసైన్డ్ ఆస్క్డ్ యూ, హౌ యూ విల్ గివ్ ఆన్సర్, రైట్? యూ షుడ్
Yes.
Speak continuously, madam. Okay, ఇక్కడ మీరు ఇంటరాక్టివ్ గా ఉంటేనే you can get the job. You don't have any experience previously, right, Suma?
Sir?
You have any IT experience? ఇంతకుముందు జాబ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మీకు ఏమైనా ఉందా?
No, sir. No IT experience కాదు.
సో మరి ఎలా మేడం ఐటీ జాబ్ రావాలంటే ఎలా అంటే కంటిన్యూస్ గా మాట్లాడుతూనే ఉండాలి. ఎంత
Yes.
ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడితే అంత మేడం. అర్థమవుతుందా? అంత
Sure, sir.
ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. సో డోంట్ బి లైక్ సైలెంట్. హేమలత,
Because yesterday class I did not understand little bits. So that's
దెన్ గో త్రూ ఇట్. యాక్చువల్లీ దిస్ వీక్ అండ్ సాటర్డే సండే మీకు టైం వస్తుంది కదా, యూ షుడ్ రిపీట్ ద క్లాసెస్ అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్.
sure, sir.
ఓకే, యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ వీడియోస్ రైట్? యూ షుడ్
Yes,
రిపీట్ ద
sir.
వీడియోస్ అగైన్.
So please share once your recording video class, yesterday's class.
మేడం ఆల్రెడీ షేర్డ్ మేడం ఎస్టర్డే క్లాస్.
No, sir. In
No, already shared in same Google Drive, madam. No one is received or
no,
like you
sir.
want?
I
ఎవరు
did
కాలేదా
not
సార్ వీడియోస్, ఎస్టర్డే వీడియోస్? మహేష్
నో సార్.
లేట్గా
No,
వచ్చింది
sir.
సార్. ఇప్పుడు ఉంది అనిపిస్తుంది.
Sure, sir.
ఎస్టర్డే షేర్డ్ బట్ లిటిల్ బిట్ లేట్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ షేర్ చేస్తాను.
Yes, sir.
మహేష్ సార్ మీరు ఎందుకు మాట్లాడలేదు సార్? మీరు వర్కింగ్ సార్? ఐ థింక్ యు ఆర్ సెర్చింగ్ ఫర్ జాబ్ రైట్ ఆల్సో రైట్?
Yes, I'm working. Yes, I'm working.
వర్కింగ్, ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. మీరు వర్కింగ్ అయితే ప్రాబ్లం లేదు సార్, ఎందుకంటే కొద్దిగా లేట్గా అయినా పర్లేదు జాబ్. సో హూ వాంట్స్ జాబ్ నా దట్ పీపుల్ నీడ్స్ టు స్పీక్ కంటిన్యూస్లీ. ఓకే, వై ఐ యామ్ నాట్ రిసీవింగ్ ఈమెయిల్ Vivian for motivation. Okay, email, already email is sent. Okay, this is the email address I'm using, Varaprasad 4am AI something. Where is that email ID? Yes, sir. So that is Rutra's email ID. I think yesterday I have forwarded some videos that man చూసారు group లోనా, some previous class videos, students how they are like explaining topics. చూసారా everyone? Kusuma, Nagvani, Malashri. Everyone watched that videos. I have shared some videos in the group, right? Previously,
Yes,
previous
sir. Watching,
videos.
sir.
Rules.
Little bit different is there, sir.
Assignment rules.
See how even I'm not after teaching, madam. So they only creating some PPTs. They only explaining the topics. So similarly, you also need to do same way in future. Not now. Maybe after 1 week 10 days, I'll assign some topic. You have to prepare PPT. How to explain that topic to everyone. అది అందరూ చేయాలి. Understand, madam? So if you do that way, then what will happen? మీకు ఆ ఫియర్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. Someone is asking question, anything. మీకు presentation skills అవి ఇంప్రూవ్ అవుతాయి అన్నట్టు. And one more thing is you will have some what will happen? So మీకు స్ట్రాంగ్ గా you will get some that topic అన్నట్టు. మీకు స్ట్రాంగ్ అయిపోతుంది టాపిక్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద టాపిక్ you are explaining to the other people. Okay, clear. See, you can see message like this: Samsung, thanks for your inquiry. Okay, lead auto response message. So I have given this is the my auto your name, right? Email address, display name, Samsung lead. What is display name? If you go here back, so it should come here something Samsung leads like this. This is displaying name, but it is displaying lead Samsung lead auto response tool. This is the tool name. Okay, so lead this is the name actually they are displaying, lead auto response messages. Okay, this is the display name, and this is the mail ID, whatever the mail ID you are using in the organization wide, right? This one you can see this is the from address. This is the email template. Okay, like this you can test the auto responses. Whenever the lead is created, whenever the case is created, you can send email to the immediately to the customers. Okay, but make sure whatever the email ID you are giving there, the lead email or case email, that is valid. If you are giving some invalid email, it will not work. Understand? So you have to create both the functionalities. Try both the okay auto responses. One is the lead with the another one is case. Both you have to try. Okay, so you should type both. Just modify existing email template based on the requirement. Okay, based on the company you are using, and create auto responses for both email and case object. Okay, you have to do both. Okay, so assignment rules we can create in the lead and case object. Auto response rules also will create in the lead and case object. We have one more rule called escalation rule. So any guess what is the meaning of escalation rule by seeing this name? Anyone guess by seeing this name? Why will use these rules? By seeing this name, we can easily understand. Auto response means we can send the auto response. Assignment means we can assign leads or cases to the users or queues. By seeing this name,
Escalation.
escalation means what, sir? Generally, these escalation rules we cannot use for the lead object. Only,
User escalation.
yeah, this is available only for the case object. Okay. So normally, if you see, for example, if you create a one case or support, if you raise any case to the anything, for example, your mobile is not working. So what you will do? You will raise a case. That case needs to solve within 12 hours or 24 hours. In case if your issue is not resolved in 24 hours, what we can do? We can escalate it. Escalate means what will happen? Automatically it will go to the higher people. Okay, senior people in the company, they will take care of that cases. Okay, they will. It is like something like a bad remark. Okay, not generally we cannot escalate cases. Something is escalated. It is not good. So that's why we can give some criteria. Okay, within 24 hours, your case needs to resolve. Something like this. Okay, if not resolved, it will go to the higher people. They will take care. And they will give the some like a response with higher priority, something like that. Sir, what is the meaning of escalation rules? So general escalation rules also available only in which object, madam? The object which is proceeding only in a case object. Lead la awesome లేదు. Generally, no one will escalate a lead. Lead can escalation ఉంటుంది, madam. No, right? So when we will create escalation rule, for example, Kusuma is purchased products last week. So she is having some issues with the products. Then she can raise a case, right? For leads, it is not required. No need to escalate leads and all. Okay. So same concept here also. Only one escalation rule will be active at a time. Okay, man. So just go here. What we can do now? Type escalation rules in the case object. Click on it. I'll give us some name. Case escalation rules demo, something like this. You can give. Should be active. Click. So as I mentioned, at a time only one rule will be active. Okay. If you go this. So here we can give us some condition. What's the condition we can give? One, first condition. You can get multiple entries, okay, based on the requirement. So what's the condition you can give, sir, here? Case priority equals to high. Okay. And what else you can give? Case something you can choose other condition. Case reason equals to installation. Okay. So something I have given these two conditions. Okay. So this is the thing. Okay. And here you can see the specify the business hours criteria. This is specific. What is business hours? Anyone tell me? What is business hours? Any idea?
Business hours is nothing but
Working hours.
working hours.
Correct. Business hours is nothing but a working hours. Okay, man. So normally, if you take any company, most of this they are working in a 5 days. Yes or no? 5 days, Monday to Friday, like a morning 12 to night, like a 24-hour support. Okay. Some companies work like even working Saturday, Sundays also. Okay. So normally business hours is nothing but a working hours. Okay. So we have to create a business hours first in Salesforce. Okay. For example, what is our Kusuma is the raising one case example. Okay. It's Kusuma is raised one case. So normally that case needs to resolve in a 24 hours. Okay. For example, she raised the case on Friday, okay, 1 p.m. or 12 p.m. Tell me when it needs to resolve. She raised a case on Friday, 12 p.m. Okay.
It is possible on Friday only. Otherwise, it will take on Monday.
Why Monday, madam? Monday it will 24 hours will complete, na?
So, business hours is not there in Saturday and Sunday, right?
Correct. You should take. You need to consider that is very important. Okay. So actually, she raised the case on Friday 12 p.m. What is company working business working hours, madam? Monday to Friday
24
only.
hours.
So
Yeah.
Saturday, Sunday hours will not cover. So they will have time till Monday. When, madam? 12 p.m. Antega.
Yes, sir.
Understand? Ardhamutna. That's why business hours is very important. Okay. If she raising a case on Friday 12 p.m., so it will 12 p.m. to night 12 a.m. it will cover 12 hours. Again, Saturday, Sunday will not cover. Again, when it will cover, madam? Monday 12 p.m. There also will get 12 hours. Understand? Ardhamutna what I'm saying? Hello?
Yes, sir.
మహేష్ అర్థమైందా వాట్ ఐమ్ సేయింగ్?
Yes, sir.
ఏమర్థమైంది సార్? టెల్ మీ వాట్ యు
Actually,
అండర్స్టూడ్ హియర్.
Kuchma raised a case on Friday 12 p.m. But Saturday, Sunday are not working hours, so it has the time till Monday to
Correct.
resolve the case.
Correct. In case it is working in like a Monday to Sunday, all 7 days,
Then it will be resolved in any days in week itself.
I mean next day itself. Friday 12 p.m. is what is the next? Saturday 12 p.m. before 12 p.m. you have to close that case. Understand, sir? It is 7 working days because within 24 hours we need to resolve the case, right? So that if it is not resolved in Saturday 12 p.m., it will escalate the case. Understand? అర్థమవుతుందా? So just type of business hours in the company profile, click on business hours. So by default, Salesforce will have one default business hours. You can see here. So based on the time zone, you can see. Currently, they are giving how many days, sir? Every day, 24 hours, Monday to Sunday, every day is there. In case if you want to use your own business hours, you can create. For example, I can give new business hours. Samsung business hours. Okay. So active. Time zone, you can choose India time zone or based on your requirement. So I'll select India time zone, based on that. India, Kolkata, maybe. So my company is working only Monday to Friday. There is no Saturday, Sunday. Okay, 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. night, full day. Click save. Okay. So open the Samsung business hours. Even we'll get sometimes holidays also, right, sir? Yes or no? ఉంటాయి ఉండవు హాలిడేస్ వీక్ డేస్ లో. So even sometimes we need to avoid that holidays also, right? So for example, I can click here holidays. So in that case also, if you raise a case, it will not work. It will not consider the create new holiday. So Shivaratri is a holiday. Come on. I'm not sure. So date ఎప్పుడు example I'll take a 27th. Okay. Holiday. You want to use this holiday for every year, you can use this. You can enable this one, yearly one, same day like that you can put. If you don't want, you can add only this year. Just remove this option. Click save. So now even the holidays also, if you raise a case, it will not work. I mean, it will not escalate. It will not consider the business hours. Understand? Arthamadna, what is holidays? So in case if you raise a case on the 27th February, so that date will not count part of the working hours, even though it is a weekday. Understand? Arthamayinandi? Okay, so here you can choose ignore business hours. If you want to ignore, and you can use the business hours specified on the case. In the case also, if you want to create one lookup, and you can use it. Otherwise, select business hours. So I'll choose the Samsung business hours. So based on this, I can escalate the case. So when you want to escalate, for example, whenever case is created today, example, now after 24th, I want to escalate it. You can choose whatever the option you want. Based on the case creation date, based on the case last modified date. For example, case is modified now. After that, no one is touching that case till 24 hours, like this. And when the case is created and the disabled after the case is first modified, something like this, you can use all these options. We'll go with the by default first option. When case is created, I want to start the hours. Click save. Okay. Okay. So here we have to take the actions, escalation actions. Click new button. So after how many hours you want to escalate this case, sir? For example, I'll take a 10 minutes just to test the function. I'll take a after. Okay. Maybe I'll give a 1 hour 30 minutes so that it will escalate automatically 1 hour 30 minutes. I'll take 1 hour. Fine. Okay. Now, normally we can use 24 hours. I'll take at least 12 hours so that I'll show you this case tomorrow. Okay. After 12 minutes, 12 hours 30 minutes. If you'll give 0, 12 hours 0 minutes. Okay. So I'll take a 12 hours like this. Auto reassign cases. Okay. For example, this case is not resolved. So whom you want to assign this case? User or queue? You can choose that option. For example, I'll take a user Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma will take care that one. and I will notify Rohit Sharma also. So you can just check the case. Case assignment notification. You can use this one. Okay. And notify the user also. If you want to notify current user who is like a case greater than all that person, you can choose that option also. Any other person you want to notify, you can notify. Otherwise, it is not required. Okay. But you can notify the case owner. Okay, this case is escalated and this case is assigned to this person, something like that. You can notify case owner. You can send us a message. And you can give the other email address. Apart from this email, if you want to give any other email address in the organization, like something, for example, assume okay, Sanjay is my Samsung like a team lead or something like that. So I can give Sanjay at the rate of gmail.com. So what will happen? So whenever the case is escalated after 12 hours, it will go to the Rohit Sharma, and along with Rohit Sharma, even we are informing Sanjay also in the CC. So this is something like a CC. You can enter up to 5 email IDs. Okay, they will notify. Okay, this case is escalated, something like that. You don't need. If you want to use multiple, you can use it. Just you can use the comma separated like this. 5 emails. You can use it. Click save. Oh, it is mandatory now. I'll use the same. Case escalated notification. This is also case. You can use a different email template. Case escalated something. See, if you are giving some meaningful name in the email template name, you can search directly. If you give your email ID, that is not good. So you should give us some meaningful name. See, case is a support process. That's why they are giving prefix support colon case assignment notification. So we should give us a meaningful name like this. Okay. Case support escalated case notification. I can use this support escalated case reassignment. This is escalated case notification. Notify case owner. Notify the user also. You can notify. For example, click save. Okay, so we'll create one simple case. It should match the condition. So go to the case object. Okay, I'll create new case. So account, I'll choose IBM. Contact, Suma. Start new, priority high, and origin, I'll take anything is fine, email or something. Okay, remaining fields are not necessary. So installation. This is two important things. Case region equals to installation. Priority equal to high. That is the like a condition we are using, right? So those two fields we need to select. Okay, case priority equal to high, case region equals to installation. So I'm choosing both important fields to match the criteria. Okay, and remaining fields are not necessary. In case if you have any assignment tools in the case object, you can use this option. In case if you want to send notification to the email contact for this email, you can notify this one. I don't want now. Just subject I can give installation issue. I'll give software installation issue. Software installation issues. You can give same for my laptop. Okay. Click save. So now case is created at what time? This time, 8:03. So when this case will escalate, sir, again, if the case is not resolved in 12 hours, case is not resolved in 12 hours, what will happen? It will automatically escalate and it will go to the higher people. Now case owner is Vara Prasad. After 12 hours, if this case is not modified, not resolved, what will happen? It is not closed. Who is the owner for this case? After 12 hours?
Varaprasad, case owner.
Currently Vara Prasad, madam. After 12 hours, who is the owner? You click this option. Who is the auto reassign cases after 12 hours?
Rohit Sharma.
So he will get a notify also. Escalated case, something like you will get an email also. Even Vara Prasad notify with this. This case is escalated, something that will get. And both people notify the user and you can case owner, both persons will get this email notification. Not only Vara Prasad, you can either, if you are not selecting this one, case owner by default Vara Prasad only, he will get this notification. Okay. But how we can check this case will escalate or not? How we can check this case will escalate or not? Okay, it is matching condition. If this is not resolved in 12 hours, it will escalate. But how we can check it will escalate or not? Where we can track it? It is there or not? Some use setup. Just type escalations. You can see here, madam, monitor, right? You can click on case escalations here. If you know all the case number, you can use that option, or you can use the escalation rule equals to, what is the escalation rule name? You can check with the rule. Is there any cases? This. What is the case number? 1027. This is what we created just now, right? Same thing. You can see it is showing in the queue. Escalation rule, this one. First condition. At what time it will escalate? After 12 hours. So this is added this time. Understand, sir? ఎప్పుడు escalate అవుతుంది ఇది? Same day 2020 only 8:03 p.m. Why? It is created at 8:03 a.m. What is the condition we are given here? 12 hours. So it is automatically 8:03 p.m. Understand, sir? అర్థమవుతుందా? Where we can check our cases will escalate or not, use and all those things. We can go to the monitor case escalations. You can see all this. Okay. This is all case escalation rules, madam. Okay. We can just create a case escalation rules also. Okay. So that is all today. Okay. So what we can do is tomorrow onwards we can use the custom functionalities. We can create new app and all. So just now till now what we discussed is like some sales cloud objects, some sales cloud functionalities, all these things. So tomorrow onwards we can create new custom applications, custom tables, custom fields. Everything will create from tomorrow onwards. Okay, madam. Just do this assignment. We'll connect tomorrow, but please practice all this